Yo, what is good, YouTube? Back here with another reaction video. We got the Detroit Tigers versus the Cleveland Guardians. ALDS Game 5. Hopefully my Guardians get the win or we're going home. Obviously if we win, we play the Yankees in the ALCS because they eliminated the Royals as we saw. But let's get right into it. I mean, we're going to have to go against Scooble. And we've lost 8 consecutive winner-take-all games. Last win, 1997, ALDS Game 5 versus New York. That's crazy. But I mean, we're gonna need everyone to step up, bro. You're gonna have to get to Scooble early, you know, because if you let Detroit get some runs early, bro, I mean, it could be over. Oh, Matthew Boyd hitting the first batter. It's not a good way to start. But, I mean, nerves going. The Game 5, place sold out. I understand. 0-2, got him, though! With a four-seam! There you go. Right, the Greens up to the plate 3-1. Walked him. Okay, back-to-back walks. Calm down, dude. Calm down. It's the first inning. Check swinging, win around! Let's get it, man. 0-2 on, Hi! Who was that, a bias? He smoked your ass! My goodness! Look at that crowd, bro! Yes, sir! What I'm talking about. Scooble. 1-2. Kwan banged up the middle. He's safe. Okay, Kwan. I'm gonna have to hit it early today. Hit the Kwan. You know what I mean? Get us started, bro. 1-2. David Fry. Oh my goodness. Woo. That's right in on your hands, bro. How do you even like? Yeah, I mean, if it's in on your hands like that, you might as well just give up. Jose 0-1. Fly ball to right. Perez coming on. Lane Thomas. Force out a second. I mean, gotta base it off, Scooble. We have some hope. Ooh, nasty slider. Oh my goodness, Matthew Boyd. Chill out. Look at that. Look at that spin on that. He does. Oh, that may be fair. Damn it, man. Parker Meadows is pretty tough, though. Oh, no, man. You got a runner at third now with only 1 out. 3-2 on Jake Rogers. Come on. Got him to fly out. Noel coming on. They ain't running on that. There's no way. Yeah, he's going to stop. Okay. 2 outs, man. Matthew Boyd. You know the deal. Ground ball or something. He went around, though. Way to get out of there, Matthew Boyd. Yeah. Bottom of the second. Noel. I mean, this dude's so hard to hit, bro. 1-2. Wow. 98-mile-an-hour fastball. That's 97. That was a sinker. 1-2-3, go Guardians. Come on, man. Gotta make them work a little bit harder. Matthew Boyd's day's done? Okay, Cade Smith in the game. So we're going. I'm guessing he just didn't want him to face the batting order. Ah, he threw Cade Smith. I'm guessing he didn't want Matthew Boyd to face the Detroit lineup 2 times, like a second time around. So he went bullpen early. He's gonna do or die with the bullpen. So kind of respect it. Come on, Jimenez, bro. You've been so bad in this series. Brian Rocchio, okay. Into left field, turn me up, bro. He has. He's swung it better than Jimenez, Ramirez, Naylor, Fry, probably. No, not Fry. We chill out. Quan with a fly ball at the left. Oh, he missed it! Rocchio, go to third! Yeah! Yeah, bro. I don't know what you're doing. Scooble can't believe it. He's like, yo, what are you doing? Like, come on, David Fry. 0-2 on Fry. I mean, 100 mile an hour sinker. What? Why you do this? You scared of Jose? Lane Thomas up 0-1. Jammed him, bro. Hey, the Tigers are stranding stuff too, so we're not the only one though.
Even Yankees fans are loving Boston.
Oh, no, we're keeping tabs on our rivals.
We love Boston.
Hun, with so many choices you can
like, you know what I mean? But I'm just saying, bro, like we gotta put up. Like, I'm guessing he went bullpen just because, like, we gotta match zeros, you know what I mean? Cade Smith staying out there. Oh, 1-2, got him with a 4-seam. Cade Smith is him! My goodness! Going right through this order. They're gonna pull him. Good stuff, Cade. Putting in, who is that, Sobrowski? Yeah, 2-2. Ground ball to Rocchio. Good play. Good stuff, good stuff. Bo Naylor. 1, 2, 3. We go again. Top of the 5th. Walter's in. 3-1. Okay.
Yeah, I talked to AJ Hinch about 15 minutes before first pitch. I said, how's the hamstring? He said, good. I said,
Kerry Carpenter. Oh, yeah, because he did injure his hamstring coming around third the other game. Kerry Carpenter's up there with 3-1. Just blast it out to the wall. And that's going to probably score one, right? Yeah, Jesus. Throw to the plate. Oh, he's out. Oh, no, he's sick. Come on, bro! Bro, Vogue, why would you throw a rookie, like, why would you throw a rookie in this situation, bro? You could have went, like, Gavin Williams out the bullpen or something. I mean, he's been horrible, but, like, at least he's, I don't know. Good hit by Carey, though. I can't even get mad. 0-2. Chopper to Jimenez. It's an easy turn. Let's go! We gave up a run, though, so we're going to have to go get one back somehow. Maybe try bunting to get on base. I don't know. You just got to get on base. On Chase Jimenez! The base hit to the left. Okay. Finally, he actually, that may be his first hit in the postseason. My line. 1-2. Got Rocchio to chase. Up high. That was a good pitch, though, by Scoobs. I can't even get mad. 1-1 quad! Yeah! Okay! Runners on first, the second with 1 out. Who's up? Fry? 1-2 on Fry. Fry with a slow tapper. He's gonna beat it out! Let's go! Yeah! You can't walk Ramirez down! 0-1 on Ramirez! Ow! Bro, fuck you, Scooby! Yeah, tied the game, Goofy. It's 1-1 now. Damn, bro. No, it made it a forearm. Was it on the hands? Show replay. I don't think they're gonna show replay. First run surrendered in the last 28.2 innings. So it brings up Lane Thomas. Thomas with a swing and a drive! Let's see what he got! Yes! Oh my God! Oh my God! No way, bro! Lane Thomas! You're a fucking legend! Oh, aboard the Lane train! Hey, Scooble, hold that! Woo! My goodness! A grand shot! Ah! Turn me up! Bro, they knew to hit me with an ad, bro. They was like, this dude tweaking. Oh my goodness. Lane Thomas. Oh my God. My bad, but oh my goodness. There's no way, bro. What just happened, bro? So we're winning, what, 5-1 now? Oh my God. Oh my, here we go with this. Get it. Torque is in 2-out though. Heron walking. Come on, bro. He gonna go get Gaddis probably. Yeah. But good stuff, Heron though. Gaddis coming in. 2-2. Oh man. I'm telling you, bro, this game is not over, bro. The Tigers, they call them the gritty Tigers, bro. I'm telling you. 3-2 though. Bro, come on, Gaddis. Yeah, that's me right now, bro. I'm low key nervous. 1-2 high. He don't carry though. He carried Carpenter. Hold that. Bottom of the 6th, Scooble. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, he's mad. That was a little drag bunt. I'm just run right to him. Wow, Scooble. How long was that inning? Like 4 pitches? That was crazy. Cole Keith. Oh no, that's off the wall. It's 5-3, bro. Come on, bro. Don't choke, bro. Don't choke, bro. Eli Morgan coming in. 0-2. Got him. What a four-seamer. Bro, Eli Morgan in a big spot. 3-2. Got him with a changeup. He didn't know what was coming. Oh my, yeah, bro. That's nasty, Eli Morgan. That's nasty, bro. Good stuff. Quan, bottom of the 7th. Leadoff single. I'm feeling it, bro. I gotta hit it again. Hit the Quan. Jose, 1-1. It's a base hit. Gonna get through. Okay, Jose, come on, turn me up. Lane Thomas back up. Okay, Lane Thomas. He's gonna score a run, but he slipped. Bro, this is the Lane Thomas game, bro. Bro, Lane Thomas, he should. He shouldn't have to pay for anything in Cleveland. Like, he should be free to eat forever. Like, bro, for real. Oh, Emmanuel Clausen coming on in the 8th. I like the move. Because you don't want to give Detroit any hope. Jake Rogers. Oh, Brian Rokia! No, you did! Hey, Rokio! Damn! Oh, come here, Kerry Carpenter. Man, we didn't forget what you did to us, bro. 2-2 on Kerry. Got him with a cutter! Yeah! Kerry! We didn't forget. Bottom of the 8th. Rokio do up 1-2. Base it in the center field. Get Jimenez coming all the way home. Hurry up, Rokio! 3 outs away for going to the ALCS, bro, against New York, bro. This kid. Oh! Turn me up. Let's go. 0-2 on Vierling? Yeah, bro, I don't know what you're looking at. That's a cold strike 3, though. Ah! Come on. 16 strikeouts today, bro. Unbelievable. Ryder Green bouncing ball. Out of the way. Woo! Let's go. I mean, bro, what a job by Steven Vogt, bro. Like, 2-2. Bouncing ball to Naylor. Classic covering. Got him! We did it, bro! Yes, sir! We advanced! Whoa, chill out, Rokio. Chill out. Whoa. But my Guardians win 7-3 over the Detroit Tigers in ALDS Game 5. We send the Tigers home packing. I feel bad for the city of Detroit because now you gotta watch the Detroit Pistons. Yeah. But anyways, Lane Thomas built the damn statue now. 2 for 4 home run, 5 RBIs. Rokio 2 for 4 RBI. Bro has been playing out of his mind this series. Yeah, Scooble. Yeah, where's this side now? Yeah, don't be cocky, bro. We got the Yankees, obviously in the ALCS. Should be a fun series. It's Guardians in 6 games, bro. And we're going to the World Series, I think. This is the year. But that's going to do it for this reaction, though. Make sure y'all subscribe, like the video, and I'm out.